This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
PCV valve and hose, check and replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering column. Lift the hood safety latch. Raise the hood and support it with the prop rod. Slide back the clamp on the PCV hose. If better access is needed to remove the PCV valve, remove the bracket bolts and position aside the bracket temporarily. Note the locations of any hoses disconnected. Unscrew and remove the PCV valve from the intake manifold. Slide back the clamp from the other end of the PCV hose. Remove the PCV valve and hose. Shake the PCV valve, listening for a rattle. If the valve doesn't rattle, replace it with a new one. Also check the condition of the hose and make sure it's not clogged. Insert a new PCV valve into the hose and install the valve onto the valve cover. Tighten the valve securely. Connect the other end of the PCV hose. Secure the hose clamps at each end. Install the bracket and related accessories that were removed for better access to the PCV valve.